All right, the internet has been ablaze over the last 24 hours about two things: the TikTok ban, and I've just been inundated with questions about the tools that I use, the tools of the trade for Creekin. So I want to start with one thing. It's a good pair of Bogs boots. These bad boys are awesome. They go up high. You're able to get into pretty deep water, keep your feet both warm and dry. So that's step one. Step two, I usually try to bring on some bear spray because there are some bears in the area. And then I'll flip outside to show you some of the more hands-on tools. All right, so here are the tools of the trade. Some of the stuff is cobalt. Again, I am not sponsored by any of these at all, but if they want to send me some free gear, I'll take it. You need a nice pointed shovel. It's good for redirecting and scooping stuff, and overall just digging out certain areas that need help. I don't even know how to Fiscaris. This is a nice pruner, but it's got the like extra ratchet. I don't even know what you call it, but it allows you to kind of clamp down and get bigger branches that you normally wouldn't be able to do with just standard trimmers. Contractor bags. These are great for picking up garbage that you find along the way. This is my Alone infatuation saw, the Silky Katana. This bad boy, you can use a chainsaw. I had the help of my father-in-law's chainsaw a lot last weekend for the big stuff, but this is kind of overkill, but chopping down little trees that are in the way. And then these are great for barbed wire and different fencing that I found that just was not useful anymore. I guess you can do either one of these if you're getting a little rusty, but these snap those pretty good. And then a pickaxe for the tougher jobs. So there you have it, y'all. I don't mind sharing my secrets. As the great late John Lennon said, you may call me a creeker, but I'm not the only one. So please get out there and make our creeks as beautiful and as powerful as they can be. They may not be rivers, they may not be lakes, but these creeks matter. And with your help, we can make it happen. Thanks, y'all.